Hello everyone, welcome back to my video tutorial. Today I'm going to show it to you how to make the slouchy beanie for the men with the very simple stitch using the double crochet. So today for this tutorial I'm using the this one is 100% acrylic with the 8 ply. It's written 8 ply. Okay, 100% acrylic, and then I'm using the crochet hook size number 4. We will start with the magic ring. So yarn over 2 times to your finger, and then you have the first and second. So what you need to do is insert your hook underneath the first and then grab the second one, and then at the same time grab the one from the back like that. That is the first chain, and this is your magic ring. Okay, and then you chain another one, so the total you have 2 chains 2. So this chains 2 will not be counting as double crochet. So what you're going to do is into that magic ring you will make 12 double crochet. Remember, do not counting this one. So this is my first double crochet, that is 1, and I can place the marker to avoid the confusion where I'm going to do the slip stitch at the end. So I press my first double crochet, so I will need to make another 11 double crochet into that ring. So this is second, third, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Let me recount, make sure I have total 12. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I need to add one more. So in total 12. Here we go. So I have a 12 double crochet into that ring, and then I just need to pull this tail tight, so it will be closing the gap in the middle. Okay, like that. And then I will remove my marker so I can do slip stitch to that space. So we will do the slip stitch to the flat one. And remember, you will not do any the slip stitch into that the first chain 2. Okay, so you do the slip stitch like that. That is the first round. Now the second row you do the chain 2, and the 8th row you will always start with the chain 2, and then again this chain 2 will never be counted as the double crochet. So what you're going to do in the second round, you will do the 2 double crochet into the 8th stitch. So here you will do the first double crochet and then second double crochet. Okay, and then the next stitch 1 double crochet and then second double crochet, and you will keep continue doing so all around the 2 double crochet into the 8th stitch. Go around until here, so in total you have 24, and remember this one you don't count. Okay, I have completed the 2 double crochet into the 8th stitch, and then I will do the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Okay, so that is the second round. The third round is chains 2, and then you will do the 2 double crochet, this chains 2 and then 1 double crochet on the first stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the next one. So 1 double crochet, and then next one is 2 double crochet, and then you will alternate back again 1 double crochet, and then next to it is 2 double crochet. Okay, next to it 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet, and you will continue doing so, alternate 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, continue until you reach here. So I have reached at the end of the row number 3, so we will do the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Okay, now we will move to the row number 4, chain 2, and then here on the first one, on the third row, we have done 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, alternate. Now in the row number 4, we will do the 1 double crochet for the first, second one 1 double crochet, the third one we will do the 2 double crochet. So 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. So we will continue alternating until you reach here. Okay, so chains 2 and then 1 double crochet, that is the first, and then second, so 1 double crochet next to it, so it's 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then the third one you will do the 2 double crochet. Okay, so that is 2 double crochet, and then you will alternate 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. Like that, and you will continue alternate 1 1 2 1 1 2 until you reach here. So I have reached at the end of the row number 4, and then we will do the slip stitch. So in total you have 48 stitches. Okay, and then if you notice, we start with a 12 and then 24 and then 36 stitches and then 48 stitches, and then we will, so in each row there are 12 additional chains, 12 additional stitches. Okay, so now this will be the last row number 1 2 3 4 and 5. Row number 5 this will be the last increasing the row. So you do chains 2, and then you will have 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the 8th stitch, and then the 4th one you will have 2 double crochet. Okay, now if you notice again, like I mentioned, so on the second, 1 2 3, and on the third row you have done the 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet and then alternate, and then the 4th one 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet and then alternate. And now here you have done 1 1 1 and 2, so meaning the double crochet is 3 times, 1 2 3, and then 2 double crochet. You continue alternating it until here, so in total you will have 60 stitches. Okay, so 48 plus 12 is total 60 stitches. So let me repeat one more time. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet. So you have 3, and then the 4th one you will do the 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, and you will repeat 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. Okay, and then you will keep continue all around. So I have completed the row number 5. So in total you have 60 stitches, and you just do the slip stitch to that part. Okay, so let me do the measure the circumference after the increasing. So approximately it's about 14 centimeter, or 14 centimeter is equal to 5.5 inch. Okay, now if you wish to make the head circumference bigger than this, then you just need to continue what we have did, or what we have what we have done, sorry. You will continue the 6th row. You will do 1 1 1 1, so you have 4 times, and then 2 double crochet, and then repeat 1 1 1 1, so the 4 times of 1 double crochet, and then increase 2 double crochet on the 5th stitch. And then row 7, if you wish to make it even larger than that, you can keep continue 1 1 1 until you have 5. So here is 3, the next one is a 4, and the next one is a 5, and then double crochet, 2 double crochet. So you are following the exact increasing. Okay, so since this is the circumference for normally for adult, so I think it's more than enough, but of course the circumference for the each men are different, so it's depend. And like I mentioned, if you wish to make it larger than this, you can keep continue increasing until you do the double crochet each in the 8th stitch all around. So since I have completed increasing, so now the row number 6, I will do the normal double crochet on the 8th stitch. So row number 6 change to, there is no more increasing, so 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet on the 8th stitch around. So you will still have 60 stitches. Okay, like that, and continue around. And for the length is again depend on how you want the slouchy, but mine how longer the slouchy that you wish to have, but mine I will continue until row 21. Okay, so continue doing 1 double crochet on the 8th stitch until row number 21, and then I'll see you shortly once you reach there. So I have completed the row from row number 6 until 21. So in total is 21 rows from the here until here. And let me do the measure, so you will have an idea how many centimeters so far. It's about 24 centimeter. Okay, 24 centimeter is equal to 9.5 inch. Now we're going to do the finishing. The finishing, I will do the half double crochet for 3 rows. from here. Okay, so what you need to do here is chain 1, and then you will do the half double crochet under each row, under each stitch, and then we will continue for the next total 3 rows for the half double crochet. Okay, so continue doing so, half double crochet under each stitch for the next 3 rows. So this is 21, 22, 23, 24. So we will finish with the 24 rows in total. I'll see you shortly. So I'm on the last row, which is row 24, the 3rd row of the half double crochet. So I do the slip stitch to the first one, chain 1, and cut the yarn, fasten up. Okay, and then you just need to swing the tail to the inside part, so it will be invisible using the tapestry needle. And then this is the final look. Okay, from there to here, and then this is the all the connection where you do the slip stitch to the each row, so it's invisible. You will not really notice, because under each row you have to for the double crochet rows you have the chains 2, and then for the half double crochet rows you have chains 1 in between. Okay, so let me do the final measure, how it's how many centimeter in total. So in total it's about approximately 27.5 centimeter, or about 11 inch. Okay, and then the width in total it's about 22 centimeter. Okay, or about 8.5 inch. So that's it for today. It's very simple, and you can make this one is very easy and quick. Okay, I hope you can make one for your loved one. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.